Good afternoon, everyone. As mentioned by Nikki, we are thankful for your presence here this afternoon for another Chaji event. To all our media friends, content creators, partners, welcome. And thank you for spending another afternoon with Chaji. You know, well, at least how I grew up. Many of us didn't probably think much about tea. No? So, if I can remember growing up, tea was something my parents ordered in restaurants while waiting for food, or something that I drank when I was sick. So, but today, what we can see is that is clearly changing. No? More Filipinos are truly embracing tea as part of their daily routines. Whether it is during merienda, after a long day, or simply a small intentional pause in the middle of a busy schedule. Tea has become more than just a drink, and it is slowly becoming part of modern lifestyle and culture. And I think that is what makes today especially meaningful for us here in Chaji. While International Tea Day may not yet be widely celebrated locally, we at Chaji see it as an important opportunity to celebrate the growing tea culture in the Philippines. So today, we are not just observing International Tea Day, we are celebrating the growing tea culture here in the country. We have always believed that tea can be both timeless and modern, and that is why this year's campaign, entitled Rooted in Tea, is very special to us. The campaign celebrates the heritage, craftsmanship, and culture behind tea, while also recognizing how tea continues to evolve in modern everyday life. Today, we're excited to share that experience with all of you. As mentioned by Nikki, you will get the opportunity to preview our newest limited time offer Boya Jasmine Tea Guanyin, milk tea and brewed tea, our latest interpretation of one of our best-selling jasmine tea profiles. Beyond the drinks themselves, we also wanted to create a more immersive experience today. So as you can see, there are a lot of things in front of you. You will see the inspiration behind the campaign, the stories behind the flavors, and the thoughtful design that connects tea with nature, time, and everyday rituals. We're also excited to introduce our limited edition Rooted in Tea merchandise collection that you saw in front, as well as later on in this month, we will have a limited edition magazine that explores tea culture, craftsmanship, origins, and how tea fits into modern lifestyles today. For us, this celebration goes beyond launching products. It is helping more Filipinos discover and appreciate tea in a deeper and more meaningful way. So once again, thank you to our media friends for being here today, for being part of this journey with us. We hope today becomes an opportunity for all of us to celebrate tea together and recognize how it continues to evolve as part of modern Filipino life. So most of all, we hope you enjoy this afternoon's experience, the drinks, and the stories that you will create behind them. And as always, we look forward to your thoughts as we continue to grow Chaji Philippines together here in the country. So with that, thank you so much and good afternoon.